Well, it's been about a month since the AOPA Sweepstakes Cessna 170 made its public appearance. That was down in Tampa, and it's in the restoration phase now. Actually, it's tucked away at Peach State Aerodrome at the Barnstormers workshop, and they're actually going to be putting on a Continental Prime certified IO370 engine. AOPA social media marketer and sweepstakes project manager Kayla McLeod Hunt takes us on a tour.
Hey everyone, Kayla here, and I'm so excited to be here today at my home field, the Peach State Aerodrome in Williamson, Georgia. As y'all can see behind me, we have the Cessna 170B, the 2023 Sweepstakes aircraft here, and it is here inside of the Barnstormers workshop. This is where the engine upgrade is going to be happening, and I'm so excited to bring y'all along in and come check out the hangar. Well, what do you think of the Sweepstakes airplane? I mean, you're a 170 owner. What do you think?
You guys picked a really nice airplane. I'm serious. I wouldn't change it, but that's me.
So you're going to be one of the lucky guys that gets to work on this airplane and do the engine upgrade. What do you think? What do you think about the engine that we've chose? Are you excited?
Oh yeah, I think it's going to be awesome. I don't know a lot about the motor. You know, it's so new and stuff, but it's going to make an awesome airplane. It's just going to be.
What does it mean to you to have this airplane out here at Peach State at Barnstormers?
Well, I think it's a privilege, you know, to be able to do something like this. That's for sure. I appreciate you guys letting us do it.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, it's cool.
Just kind of run through what you guys are going to be doing to the airplane here at Barnstormers.
My understanding is we're doing firewall forward. That's going to entail replacing the motor, engine mounts, you know, whatever is required, hosing, everything.
It's so exciting to have the airplane out here at Peach State. It's a very special place to me, to you, to everybody here. It's on grass where it belongs, and it's going to be ready for the backcountry in no time. Hey Gary, what's up?
How you doing?
Oh, good, good. So, what do you think about the 170 over here?
It's gonna be fun. It's gonna be a neat project.
Very cool.
Yeah,
well,
it's gonna make a nice airplane.
It's one of the newer airplanes that actually comes here to Barnstormers
It
workshop.
is.
I mean, what are we standing next to right now?
This is a 34 Fairchild 22. It's very rare. There's not many of these flying. It's a lot older than that one. That is a new one compared to some of these in here.
How long has this airplane been here at Barnstormers?
I think this one's been here almost 2 years probably.
Yeah, it's definitely one of the focal points of the shop.
It is.
It's always
It is.
here. Y'all are always doing something, tweaking something on it. What do you find rewarding about working on these old birds?
I like to see them when they come in like this in the back of a pickup truck.
Yeah.
And then you see it roll out and go fly. That's neat to see. But you know you had a part of that. Pretty neat.
Well, y'all do some incredible work, and obviously why we have the Sweepstakes here with y'all is because
That's right.
we're super excited to have y'all get your hands on it and make it a really, really nice airplane.
That's gonna be a nice one with that different motor on it. It's gonna make a really, I mean, already starting with a great platform, and then you're gonna make it even better.
We're excited.
Yep, that's gonna be nice.
Hey Kayla, well, can you give us a peek inside Barnstormers? What's going on with the 170 right now?
Yeah, absolutely. So I'm standing right here in front of the hangar. We got the hangar doors open, and you can see right behind me the old 170 engine and the new Continental Prime IO370, along with the blue Continental container that the engine arrived in just the other day. We opened the box yesterday, and wow, I cannot wait to see what this airplane can do after we put that new engine on it.
Oh, that's exciting. Now, what are some of the other modifications and refurbishments that Barnstormers is going to do to the 170?
Yeah, so I actually just confirmed with Alaskan Bush Wheels the other day that they are shipping a pair of 26-inch Alaskan Bush Wheels to our shop. So that's going to go on. They're redoing the tail wheel as well as the seat tracks and any other small modifications that need to be made.
Awesome. Now, I understand pilots are welcome to fly into Peach State and actually go in and see the 170 while it's getting the work done.
Yeah, absolutely. Feel free to fly in. The identifier is Golf Alpha 2. This is actually my home field. I work from here quite a bit doing my AOPA work. So I'm here. If you see me here, feel free to flag me down. I'll take you inside. But Honestly, the hangar's right here, right next to the fuel pump. So come in, get gas, enjoy a delicious hamburger at Barnstormers, the restaurant, and then walk over right here to Barnstormers Workshop and you can see the airplane for yourself.
Awesome. All right. Well, thanks, Kayla.